Welcome Model 3, the first lesson, motion in one direction. Motion, it is a change of the object position as the time passes, according to the position of another fixed object. So, motion means change the position of the object by the time passes. The simplest type of motion, it is the motion in one direction in a straight line. Path of a moving object may be straight line or curved line or combination between them. The example of the motion in one direction, train or metro. So, give reason train or metro are the motion in one direction. Because the motion of train is considered one example of the motion in one direction because the train move forward or backward in a straight line or curved line or combination between them. When we describe the speed, we must to have distance and time. So speed, it is a distance moved through a unit time or rate of change of distance. Rate mean divided time. So rate of change of distance mean distance over time. To calculate the speed, we must make a triangle. Speed equal distance over time. The relation between distance and time, direct relation. Relation between distance and volume, direct relation also. And the relation between speed and time, indirect relation. So the measuring unit of speed equal distance over time. Distance is measuring unit meter. Time it's measuring unit second. So it's a meter per second or kilometer per hour. The object speed increases by decreasing the time to cover a certain distance. Give reason because the speed is inversely proportional to the time. There is a conversion. Meter per second to kilometer per hour or from kilometer per hour to meter per second. If I want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, we must make speed times 18 over 5. When we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we must make speed of the object times 5 over 18. Let's solve some problem. Plane moves from Aswan airport and cover a distance of 850 kilometer per hour in 850 kilometer in 1 hour. To reach Cairo airport. Calculate the speed at which the plane move, okay, in number 1 kilometer per hour and number 2 meter per second. So speed equal distance over time. Distance the body cover it 850 and time 1 hour equal 850 kilometer per hour. I want to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, so we must to make speed time is 5 over 18 equal 236.1 meter per second. Cars and brain are provided by speedometer. Why? Because it calculate or identify the speed directly. So the importance of speedometer to identify the speed of the car directly. What's meant by? The speed of the car equals 0. This means that the car is at rest. Its speed equal 0 mean it doesn't move. We have some types of speed. Number 1, regular speed or uniform speed. It is the speed by which the object moves when it covers equal distance at equal period of time. So uniform or regular mean equal distance at equal period of time. A regular speed or non-uniform speed by which the object moves when it covers equal distance at an equal period of time. Or unequal distance at equal period of time. So one of them equal and the other unequal. Most cars can't move inside the crowded town by uniform speed because the speed of the car changes according to condition of road and traffic. Let's solve the problem. Calculate the distance covered by a car which moves at regular speed of 70 km per hour during half an hour and 2 hours. Speed equal distance over time. So I want distance equal speed times time. Speed 70 times time half hour equal 35 kilometers. Distance equal speed times time in 2 hours. So 70 times 2 equal 140 kilometers. Light transfers through the space with a constant speed equals 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second. Number 3, from the types of speed, average speed. It is the total distance covered by the moving object divided by the total time. So, total distance divided to the total time. Regular speed or regular motion when the average speed equals the speed of the object. We said that the body moves with irregular motion when its average speed don't or doesn't equal its speed. Number 4, relative speed. Speed of a moving object relative to observer. May be static or moving. When the two objects move in the opposite direction, so relative speed equal speed of car number 1 plus speed of car number 2. If they are move in the same direction, so we must make speed of object number 1 minus speed of object number 2. If they are move in the same direction and in the same speed, so its relative speed equal 0. When the static observer, sees a moving car, its relative speed equal real speed. So relative speed equal real speed when the observer is static or at rest. Okay, thanks.